Hey, friends, I'm Jax the Robot Boy. Today, we're going to learn about vehicles. Let's go! Koji Dax is going to show us around the museum today.
I'm at the car museum, Dad.
Oh, that's Lightning McQueen from Cars.
I like him.
I do too. He has a great red color. Welcome to the Peterson Car Museum in Los Angeles, California. That's right, Koji. This one's a car. It has 4 wheels. Those 4 wheels spin and make the car move forward or backwards. You're funny, Koji. This one's called a DeLorean and was used in the movie Back to the Future.
Dad, look, a motorcycle.
That's right, Koji. Motorcycles have 2 wheels. They can go very fast, and there's lots of different types of motorcycles.
Dad, there's a Jeep.
That's right, Koji. That's a Jeep. There's lots of different types of Jeeps. And Jeeps are 4-wheel drive. They let you go over really big hills and mountains. That's a really big red truck. Trucks are great because they have beds, and you can move things around with them. Very big things. And this is a van. They're pretty big. They can carry anywhere from 4 to 6 people, and a lot of items on the inside. This was also used in the Scooby-Doo series. It's the Mystery Machine. Well, while Koji goes and explores the museum, how about we all sing a song? Hi, team. Engines on. Are you ready to sing about vehicles?
Yes, I am.
Super ready. I want to go super duper fast.
Fast, but safe.
Of course. Safety first. Ready, set,
Let's
sing.
go.
Vroom, 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 vroom. Let's go drive. Vroom, 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 vroom. Let's go drive. Vroom, 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 vroom. Come along, idiot car. Little car, beep, 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 beep. Little car, beep, 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 beep. Little car, beep, 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 beep. Come along, idiot car.
Little car beep 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 beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
Little car beep 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 beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
Little car beep 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 beep.
Come along, idiot car. Worked out bike, boom, 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 boom. Worked out bike, boom, 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 boom. Worked out bike, boom, 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 boom. Come along, idiot car.
A little car, big huge truck, honk 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 honk. Big huge truck, honk 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 honk. Big huge truck, honk 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 honk.
Big, huge truck. Video car. Fast race car. Zoom, 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 zoom. Fast race car. Zoom, 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 zoom. Fast race car. Zoom, 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 zoom. Fast race car. Video car.
Little car, family van, roll 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 roll. Family van, roll 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 roll. Family van, roll 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 roll.
Family van. Video car. Green light go. Vroom, 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 vroom. Green light go. Vroom, 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 vroom. Green light go. Vroom, 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 vroom. Let's go drive.
Little car.
Good job, everyone. It looks like we found Koji. He's building a car. Wow, Koji, that looks amazing. That has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tires. Oh, you're making a really big vehicle with lots of wheels. That's a lot of wheels. That's 12 wheels. And those are strong supports you put on. Good job, Koji. It looks like Koji is building an engine now. Now he's putting supports on for the engine. This makes the vehicle stronger and faster. Good job, Koji. That looks like it's gonna go really fast and be really strong. Wow, look at that go. Yeah, look at it go up that hill. It's so big and strong. Wow. Good job, Koji.
Wow, I learned so much today from you, Jax and Koji, about cars, especially watching Koji build that car out of little Lego pieces. It looked so cool.
I love sharing and learning, and Koji is so smart.
Yeah, Koji is pretty clever.
Hey, is that paper and pencil?
Oh, this? This is my drawing paper. Do you want to draw cars with me?
Yes!
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, let's draw some vehicles. Pull out your hands and draw with me. We're gonna start with a car. So we'll do 4 right here. And we're going to do a circle for the wheel. And then we're gonna get some space there. 1, 2, 2.5, and 2. Now the wheel here. Draw the bottom. And we'll draw the front of the vehicle. Bring this back. Then top of the vehicle. And another straight line. Do some lights here. They have the door. This is a 2-seater. Like here. And the back window. And the back lights. One more circle. The hubtop. And there you have it. A car. What else do I draw? Ooh, you know what? We can do a motorcycle. Let's start with the floor. And let's draw the front wheel a little bigger. And then draw another wheel about here. And we draw the bottom of it. Another circle. Area for the C. Draw the area for the lights. The console. And contain a seat. Then we have the handles. Okay, there you have it. We have a motorcycle. Next up, we can draw a... You know what? Let's do a truck. Alright, let's draw the floor. And we'll draw a tire. And then we're going to give another tire owner here. Bottom of the vehicle. And about just behind the wheel here. Get the front of the truck. And go back. And this is going to be a two-door truck. And draw the bed of it right back here. Draw the windows. Split it down the middle. Door handles. Here for the lights. And one more circle. Okay, there you have it. We have a truck. Thank you for drawing with me. I can't wait to draw with you again.
What a great episode!
Oh man, I had so much fun at that car museum watching Koji go around there. I learned a lot about motorcycles and trucks.
You too, Jax. I learned a lot about all the different types of cars and things like that out there. So thank you guys.
And Koji did such a great job. I learned a lot.
All right,
friends.
bye
Bye.
friends.